In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix footer not showing in WordPress, footer missing in WordPress. If your footer has vanished from your pages, it's usually because the footer block is hidden, omitted from published content, or locked inside a synced pattern. Let's fix that right inside the site editor so your footer reliably appears on the front end. First, open your WordPress dashboard and go to the site editor. Load the home template so we can work on a real page layout. Once the template opens, reveal the list view if it isn't visible yet. This is the sidebar that shows every block in your template. Scroll to the bottom of that list and select the footer template part. Selecting it here, make sure we're editing the correct block and not a spacer or group above it. With the footer selected, open its options. You can do that from the block toolbar or the settings panel on the right. Look for visibility and display controls. If you see an option labeled Omit from published content, make sure it's turned off. When that setting is on, WordPress builds the page without the footer, which is why it seems to be missing. Click to change that setting, then choose Apply. If you're prompted to confirm, click Apply again. This ensures the change is stored for the template and any related template parts. Next, if your footer is part of a synced pattern, you might not be able to adjust it fully. In that case, open the footer's options again and choose Detach Pattern. Detaching breaks the sync and gives you a local, editable footer in this template, which is helpful if the synced version was preventing it from rendering. Now open the Patterns section and click Manage Patterns. This simply opens the pattern manager so WordPress refreshes the linkages to your template parts. You don't need to create or delete anything here. Just closing and returning to the editor is fine. When you're done, save your work. Click Save to capture the template changes, and if WordPress asks you to confirm saving the template part as well, click Save again. Finally, click Launch to push your updates live if your editor shows that option. This step ensures the changes move from the editor state to the public site. Head back to the front end and refresh your page. Your footer should now be visible. If you still don't see it, revisit the home template to confirm the footer is selected, the omit option is off, and the changes were applied. That's it. Your WordPress footer is back where it belongs.